Dude, you guys have to listen to this. Watch, I'm gonna make this noise, and my friend Bird is gonna go insanely, and he's gonna act like me. Ooh! 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 Oh my god, I have to go over here. Where is he? Ooh! 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 Where did he go? Oh, hi. Where is he? Ooh! Where in the world? He lives in this tree. Excuse me, sir. Ooh! Ooh! There he is, guys. Ooh! 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 Oh my goodness. By the way, that is a black catbird. Gray catbird. And he loves when I feed him bread, bro. Every time I make that noise, he just pops up in his brain. That's her. I need to make this noise for her.